Mavenir is a 100% software cloud-native end-to-end network provider. We have been growing from core propositions and solutions, and then we have expanded into an end-to-end portfolio that today sees as well packet computing, packet core capabilities, and virtual RAN capabilities. Our capability has been to move from being a core messaging, over-the-top applications, rich communication suite, down to the whole chain, because we think the operator actually believe that end-to-end provider are actually better understanding of what their business and a better understanding what's the impact onto their infrastructure and the impact on the services to their users. What makes Mavenir unique is that we have been the first, as we said, the cloud native. We are the first who are really embracing virtualization 100%. And virtualization 100% in an end-to-end offering. Virtualization is key because virtualizations allow you to focus on software development and take advantages of the computing that is readily available and commercially available from the industry of people like Intel. There are really two benefits that virtualization brings if we wanted to try and kind of streamline it. The first one is an economical benefit. We aim in Mavenir to transform the network economics for mobile operators, and virtualization is key to that because, as I said, it allows to utilize hardware computing which is readily available, commercially available, which has a much lower cost than the typical legacy that is existing today. And the second one is because we can actually provide that flexibility and that agility that telco operator always been looking for in order to be much faster in reacting to subscriber needs and to enterprise needs, especially when we look at a 5G, where for 5G it's so important virtualization to the point that we say there is no 5G if there is no virtualization. And remember, 5G is a lot about enterprises, businesses. And so the flexibility and the ability to adapt is extremely important. If you want to summarize something about Mavenir, we like to think that we are transitioning from what the big legacy vendors are called network equipment provider today. Mavenir wants to be the first network software provider and be the real example for an ecosystem to develop and to create virtualization in order to be the real force that disrupts the industry in mobile communication.